Welcome to the Marty Sats YouTube channel. In this video today, I'm going to be showing you how to use the platform to build a website for your tool repair service. Now, if you've just randomly stumbled across this video and you aren't familiar with the Marty Sites service, Marty Sites is the easiest way to create a one-page website. You can literally launch your own website in less than a minute. It's super affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month for the service, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, and give it a go. Once you join the platform, it's going to go ahead and ask you to search for your market over here. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with side hustles. So I'm going to head to the top and search for my market, tool repairs. There is the template there. I'm now going to select that option. Now Marty Sites needs a few basic details about my tool repair shop so it can generate a one-page website for me. Let's go ahead and put in our company name. I'm now going to go ahead and put in my city and my state or region. It doesn't matter where in the world you're located, you can enjoy the Marty Sites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and change our type of business from restaurant to service and click on continue and let Marty Sites work its magic and create a one-page website. And there you have it. It's literally generated a one-page website in less than a minute. Let's take a closer look. Now, the beauty of Marty Sites is we've pre-written all the content for you. We've pre-selected all the images as you can see, and they are all really high quality. They are all completely free to use as well. No licenses involved whatsoever. However, if you've got your own images, perhaps of your tool repair service, and you want to make one or two amendments to the guidelines that we've written for you, you can do so, and it's super simple. You don't need to know any coding, you don't need to be a web developer, and you certainly don't need to hire a web developer with a huge budget or huge rate. That's absolutely not necessary. I'm going to be walking you through each section today in this tutorial so you can have a little bit of a look and feel of how the service works, how easy it is to use. There's no coding whatsoever. Gone are the days where you need to know coding to launch your own website. So I'm going to start my way from the top and click an update section over here. I'm now going to type in my company email address and make sure I click on the show email on site option so my email address is displayed in the top right hand corner. Let's go ahead and put in our phone number as well as our address while we're at it and our postal code. Your phone number is visible next to your email address, and that is click to call, which is really great. So it makes it super easy for your customers to get in touch with you about your tool repair service. Your physical address, if you have one that is, will be displayed in the top left hand corner. And the great thing about that option is when your customers click on that address, it automatically will take them to Google Maps to get directions to your tool repair service. Let's make sure that's saved and let's move along. Let's head to update social links. Over here, you can put in your various social media platform accounts, and they will be displayed the icons in the top right hand corner next to that email address. Your customers can easily click on your social media accounts, give you a follow, get some engagement going, and see what your business is up to. Let's move along. I'm now going to head to update logo. Now, if you don't quite have a logo yet because you're still in the startup phase of your tool repair service, that's completely okay. Marty Sites will literally just display your name here and it still looks really great. However, if you do have a logo, go ahead and browse from your device and let's upload it. Awesome. I've now clicked save on my logo, and you can customize it. You can make it bigger and smaller to suit your needs. I'm going to make it slightly bigger and that really works for me. So I'm leaving it like that. Now, with multi-sites, we wanted to make it as easy as possible to launch a one-page website for your tool repair service. So that's why we've also pre-selected all the colors used throughout this website template. However, if your tool repair business, it has completely different branding colors, it's not quite orange and white, and perhaps you have a completely different color on your logo, on your business cards, things like that, or your marketing materials. You don't need to know coding whatsoever. All you need to do is click on this nifty little paint bucket on the bottom right hand corner and go through the various different colors available. However, the one that was already selected, which is this one here, I really like, so I'm actually going to leave it exactly the way it is. I'm now going to click on save and move along. Now over here, if you've got your own images to upload, you can do so by clicking on update section. We can also link the button to various other places. So let's check it out. I'm now going to hit update image. Feel free to browse from your device and upload your own images if you have some. Otherwise, go ahead and search through the photo library. Now, there's hundreds of different images to choose from, but you do need to get a little bit of creative with the little terms that you're using. So instead of tool repair, shop, which will multi-site will automatically search for, you can search for other words, just search for tool and see what comes up. All these images are completely royalty free. As I said, there's no licensing involved. You can use them on your website. So let's take a look and see which one is best suited. So I quite like this one. So I'm going to go ahead and select that one and see if it works well. That looks great. So I'm actually going to leave it as it is and hit to update content. Whoops. Now over here, you can amend the title and subtitle to suit your needs. And the button, it doesn't need to say get free estimate. Perhaps you want it to say get in touch, and you can link it to various places. So we can link it to the lead form at the bottom of our multi-sites page, which I'm going to get to in just a second. You can also link to another website as well as an action like click to call, directions, or click to email. So for this, I want my customers to get in touch with me. So I'm going to set it as click to call. Another great option is a PDF file. So perhaps you could upload a PDF file of all your different rates and all the different tools that you are able to repair. Pop it in a PDF file and upload it there. So when your customers click on that button, they can view it. But as you can see, my button has now been updated. Let's move along. Over here, again, pre-written content button can link to various places. If you want to make some changes, all you need to do is click on update section and make them easily. We've now made our way into the About Us section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details of how your business came to be, how you got started in the tool repair industry, do you offer free estimates, put all the information over here. Your customers would love to hear your story. This is just a general guideline. Image can be amended to suit your needs. So go ahead and upload one of your own or choose one from the photo library. Over here is another great spot for a high quality image. If you want to upload your own, all you need to do is click on update section and it will easily be done. We've now made our way into the services section. So over here you can put a little bit more details of the different services your tool repair service offers. Perhaps you offer a drop-off and pickup option. Do you offer electrical repairs, mechanical repairs, cosmetic repairs? Do you do maintenance services? Do you have a maintenance plan that your customers can sign up for? Put all the details over here so they know exactly what your business can offer them. We've now made our way into the last section, the lead form over here. This is where your customers can type a message to you, put in their name, their phone, their email address, and click send. When they have submitted the message, you will be notified via email that you do have a lead via this form. You can also find them in the client dashboard, which I'm going to take you to in just a second. Let's just take one last look at our multi-sites page for our tool repair service that we've just created. and gone through, made amendments. It was such a breeze. I don't know any web coding whatsoever. I didn't need to get any help from a web developer either, or a freelancer or anything like that. I've literally done it all myself and it looks really great. Remember, it's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is that free trial available for 7 days. So click on the link below this video and sign up. You don't even have to put your credit card details in like most other online services today. If you have a custom domain, all you need to do is click on connect your domain and you'll be able to set it up. If you're struggling, there is a YouTube tutorial available on our channel with a step-by-step guide, as well as a blog post over at our website www.marcysites.com. If you head over to the blog on the website, there's also some great marketing tips for your small business, so be sure to check it out. If you don't have a custom domain yet, I'm really excited to let you know that you can now purchase your custom domain through Marty Sites. So all you need to do is click on connect your domain and purchase one. I'm now going to head to stop editing at the top, site dashboard, just so you can have a quick squiz at where you can find those leads. Over here, you can find the leads submitted via that form that I've just shown you. So I hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website on the Mighty Sites platform for your tool repair service. I'm really wishing you and your business mighty success. And if you have any suggestions or any features you'd like to see in the future, do comment below and let us know. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.